Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. So, I might get some severe weather today. Probably large hail, damaging winds, and a tornado. So, I don't know. I think the tornado is gonna hit my house. So, I'm trying to get aware. Here with this situation. I know the watch is going to be issued earlier this afternoon. I think it's tornado watch. So, yeah, we're just trying to keep an eye out, but I don't know if I'm supposed to do gaming videos today because of severe weather, so I'm trying to keep an eye out in this situation here. So, yeah. So, I missed a live stream this morning, over on the local news Facebook page. So, yeah, because I don't know, I think it's gonna get nasty today. It's gonna get nasty here. Just got off Twitch early from Quintus, and I just went on the news blog and said some schools in, I think it's like Cowley County, are dismissing. So that is due to severe weather, so they're gonna be dismissing early as possible before this happens. So we're nearly almost to the Whisk area right now. So I don't know what's going on, but I can't do gaming videos today. So yeah, try to keep my house safe and hopefully with our best. So yeah, hopefully we'll try our best to stay safe. Alright guys, so we got tornado watches in Sumner County and also Cowley County, but it's not in Sumner County just yet, so try to keep an eye out on the situation here, so yeah, hopefully it doesn't affect us. So yeah, we'll try to keep an eye out to see if there's an updated tornado watches here. So yeah, but anyway, I'm watching Super Infused right now. Look at that, Super Infused. Also, I did watch Quintus TV because he did make smash burgers, so yeah, pretty nice. Alright guys, so we're under a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Central County until 7 p.m. So, sorry, I just had to turn it down. So anyway, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Central County until 7 p.m. I don't know what's going on. I think the skies are gonna turn gray, so yeah. Look at this. Look at that right there. One is severe thunderstorm warning for southern Central County. Oh man. Look at this. This includes 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Oh my. Oh my, this is bad. Holly's gonna be okay. Holly, come here. Holly, it's gonna be okay. We're safe inside. We're safe inside. Oh my. You okay, Holly? You okay, Holly? Oh man. You're okay. Thank goodness, severe thunderstorm warning is over.
I don't
good thing the storm has passed. Just in time for American Idol special 20-year anniversary reunion. So yeah, I'm watching it right now. So it brings back so many memories for our past Idol winners. So how many of you guys have watched American Idol previously? Let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, they're doing a reunion special for American Idol celebrating 20 years. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below.
Yeah.
Why isn't that Korean barbecue in a cup? I mean, come on. Yeah, we're watching Shark Tank, so yeah, what is up with this Korean barbecue in a cup?
I moved to New
But what do you
York, did
think?
my kind of 7, 8 years
Korean
there.
barbecue in a cup?
And I just wanted...
It's watching New York, so the good doctors.
Try to save his.
Just sitting on the wheelchair drinking the Pinoy brew, a toy latte. I totally mix with almond milk, combine them into a totally latte. So I'm drinking it while I'm sitting there. Oh my guys, so it's around 11 o'clock, so I think I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog. We finally dodged a tornado. And also we got severe thunderstorm warning, but that's okay. So we just dodged that tornado, so yeah. Because last Friday we did have Andover tornado, which just whipped through. So yeah, that is not cool. No, it's not cool. So right now, today, we dodged the tornado here, so yeah. But anyway, this week, my mom just called, and I'm getting a new doctor, so my appointment is around 1 o'clock, so hopefully I can make it to the appointment so I can meet my new primary care doctor, because the other primary care doctor is getting out of here and he's about to graduate. So yeah, but good thing I'm getting the new primary care doctor and it's a woman, so yeah. But anyway, I don't want to start wrapping up this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. Oh, by the way, let me know in the comments down below, have you been affected from the tornado in Oklahoma? I know you guys are getting affected in a tornado in Oklahoma, so I want you guys to be safe, so yeah. But anyway, again, make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content, and the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures right to be, and next watching, please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.